This is Dr. Pawan Kumar Raghav from Immunogenetics and Transplantation Laboratory, Department of Surgery, University of California, San Francisco. Presenting a poster, Next Generation Sequencing revealed linked alleles of different HLA loci associated with susceptibility and protection to COVID-19. Study aimed discuss about coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 has infected over 500 million people in the past years, and most remain asymptomatic. Those showing symptoms display a spectrum of clinical phenotypes. HLA genes play a critical role in antigen presentation, and polymorphism in HLA can incur variation in the antiviral immune response. Herein, we tested our hypothesis that specific HLA alleles of the host control the outcome of SARS-CoV-2 infection. The methodology adopted for this study included 199 unrelated individuals hospitalized for COVID-19 care at UCSF Medical Center. Based on the clinical presentation, the patients were divided into the mild and severe COVID-19 disease. All 199 COVID-19 patients and 992 controls were derived from the mixed population of Northern California. The peripheral blood from COVID-19 patients and healthy controls were collected and subjected to genomic DNA extraction. The genes encoding HLA class 1 and class 2 antigens were characterized using next generation sequencing. High resolution HLA typing of 992 donors of therapeutic transplantation was used as controls. Finally, Fisher two-tail test and bone pharaonic corrections were employed for statistical analysis. Odds ratio were determined with a 95% confidence interval. As result outcome, 447 distinct HLA alleles were encountered in this study cohort. The frequency of 29 HLA alleles were found to be significantly different between patients and controls, wherein 18 were increased and 11 were decreased in patients. Notably, 4 of those showing an increase and 4 of those showing a decrease are linked to specific haplotype. The frequency of only 4 class 2 alleles remains significantly higher in patients than in control after bone pharaonic correction. The conclusion of this study revealed that this study provides new insights into the host genetics and seemingly play a critical role in the outcome of SARS-CoV-2 infection. Studies with large cohort are warranted to account for the confounding factors such as age, ABO, race, and underlying comorbidities. Thank you.